So the first tactic to improve your credit score 50 to 100 points within the next 3 months is you have to take away the bad and add the good. Jason, what do you mean by this? What I'm talking about is a lot of times people are working on fixing their credit. However, their poor financial behaviors still are negatively impacting their credit. I'm talking about paying their bills late. I'm talking about adding to their credit card balances and allowing negatives to continuously hit their credit report. If you're not paying your bills on time, you're wasting your time with fixing your credit because payment history is 35% of your credit score. The more late payments added to your credit report, the more you're going to see your credit score drop. And if you want to start improving that, you have to stop allowing your bills to report late payment history. If you can stop doing that, you're going to begin to build from where you are. However, if you don't, your score is going to continuously drop. And that's not what we want. We want our score to increase. Also, 30% of your credit score is credit utilization. This is the comparison of your credit card balance to the limit. A lot of you are maxing out your credit cards and wondering why your credit isn't improving. Well, what you're showing credit bureaus is that you're dependent on debt. The more debt that you have, the more of your limits that you're using, the likelihood of you defaulting is a lot higher. It's proven. These are facts. So what you want to do is you want to pay down your credit card balances, add the good so that your credit score can improve. If you continuously add to the balance of your credit cards, your score is going to continuously drop. The third thing is if you're allowing collections to hit your credit report, that's going to negate your progress. You want to stop collections from hitting your credit report. That means that you don't allow bills to go into collections at all. You make sure they're paid. And if they're already in collections, that means the damage is already done. However, what I'm speaking of is preventing new bills from going into collections. That means that you need to pay those bills. Now, paying your bills is not everything. Paying your bills is one critical component of your credit. However, it's very necessary. So if you want to fix your credit, the first thing you have to do is remove the bad. Remove those poor financial behaviors and add good ones. Pay your bills on time, pay down your credit cards, and make sure that you don't allow any new bills to go into collections. By doing that alone, I can guarantee you, you're going to be able to build from where you are instead of allowing your credit score to drop even more.